how to get more gems in Duolingo for free. So if you want to get more gems in your Duolingo for free, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser. Now on your browser, you need to search for Duolingo. After searching, you need to go with www.duolingo.com, go with your login page and log into your account. And once you've logged into your Duolingo, then what you need to do is you can see that if you've started a streak, and if you have let's say if you have 30 days streak, you earn an exclusive reward, which is usually a lot of gems. How to actually get more gems is by doing the daily questions. Now as you can see here that you'll have your daily quest right here. So if you go with view all, which is here on the right side, then it says that you can earn 10 xp by just daily quest, which is for 1 hour. Like if you have 10 experience points, you'll receive a chest, and in these chests are usually a lot of gems or hearts. For example, you can just simply go with shop, which is right here, and here you will have your heart, your unlimited hearts. You will have a free trial, but once the free trial ends, you'll run out of hearts and you'll need hearts. So in my case, I have 5 hearts. So in the same way, you need to get some hearts using these gems. So the other way to get more gems is by climbing the leaderboard. So you can go back to learn section, and here if you go with start, then you'll be able to climb the leaderboard. You'll be able to get more gems. So all you need to do is just basically complete the courses, join the lessons, go with the daily quest, and you will receive. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.